fear can make, for all the space that fear can take, for all the hearts that fear can break. Fear never wrote a symphony, fear never set a spirit free, fear never built a legacy, fear never cured a deep disease, fear never brought a soul to ease, fear never planted fruitful trees. Fear must fall, fear must fall. It builds no bridge, just builds a wall. Fear must fall, fear must fall. It steals the light and dims us all. Fear never saved the love so true, fear never made a dream come through, fear never showed a brighter view. Fear turns the day to darkest night, fear turns the strong into the slight, fear turns the wrong into the right. Fear never fed a hungry child, fear never healed the wild and mild, fear never spoke in tongues so mild. Fear must fall, fear must fall. It builds no bridge, just builds a wall. Fear must fall, fear must fall. It steals the light and dims us all. Fear binds with threats so weak and thin, fear locks the doors the keys aren't in, fear paints the world in shades of sin. Fear must fall, fear must